Hey everyone, in this video, I'm here to showcase Metro Transit's brand new BlueBird Micro Bird Girardin G5 buses for Metro Transit's micro fixed routes operated by Metropolitan Council Transdev. Yes, it's pretty interesting that Metro Transit, especially with a private contractor, decided to go with a manufacturing bus company that has made school buses for so many years for once, and that's what today's video is all about. My reason for doing this video is because I've been on Micro Bird school buses since I was in preschool and have rode the Girardin model since middle school. And after hearing that Metro Transit bought new buses from a manufacturer that also makes school buses, that I just had to make this video. So, let's get started. Since late 2023, the Metropolitan Council has made evaluations to have Micro Bird as their next option of microbuses for the Twin Cities. Starting in 2025, Metro Mobility received their Micro Bird Girardin buses for its rideshare service, and in 2026, Metro Transit received their Micro Bird Girardin buses for its fixed route service. Here's everything you need to know about Metro Transit's version of the Micro Bird Girardin G5. To start off, these Micro Bird Girardin buses are built with the Ford E450 van chassis with a Sportworks bike rack in the front. And on top of the van chassis has an LED destination sign, all in the amber color. And when you walk inside the bus, as you can see, there's a wide selection of seating available similar to a school bus layout. All the seats have blue vinyl covers equipped with seat belts, including one foldable seat in the back. And the vinyl material is pretty similar to the New Flyer and Gillig buses that we've been having since 2025. And right where that foldable seat is has two wheelchair positions in the back, with Q-strength tie-downs. These Micro Bird Girardins can seat up to 2 wheelchair-bound passengers. There's even an ADA-compliant stop request button for wheelchair-bound passengers as well. And the wheelchair lift in the rear is of course made by Braun Ability as part of the Millennium series. The interior LED displays is pretty similar to the ones on the Gillig Beluga buses, except it's all in yellow. And the gray-colored material that you see on the front, rear, and the roof of the bus is used with a vinyl-coated fabric, which is pretty interesting for a Micro Bird Girardin bus, if you ask me. And there's even air conditioning in the rear as well. The driver's seat also has a blue vinyl cover, and right next to it is Metro Transit's version of the fare box, just like every other Metro Transit bus. Right next to the emergency release handle on the front has the go-to reader. And speaking of the emergency release handle, the Micro Bird Girardin buses at Metro Transit are equipped with 4 emergency exit windows and 1 emergency exit roof hatch. The front door is even electric, just like the school buses, and the Metro Transit version of these buses have stop request cords, just like all the old buses used to have. With all that information in mind, let's go for a ride. Metro Transit's Micro Bird Girardin buses have been seen a lot on the Route 219, and for that, I went to Sunray Station to see what it's all about. Well, without further ado, I hope you all enjoy these rides.
Greenway Avenue Station. Approaching Century College. This stop for Century College. Avenue.
I will be honest, riding this brand new bus on the 219 just brought me back to the Maplewood Mall after so many years of not visiting that mall. It was worth it, but what else can I say? Anyways, here are clips from the return trip.
Beam Avenue.
Here's a clip of the front door at a railroad crossing.
Stop requested. Drive.
That stop request chime is pretty similar to a Siemens train if you ask me. At first I thought it sounded like the ones on the New Flyer buses until I heard the last part. That was pretty interesting.
Greenway Avenue Station. Century Avenue.
Well, everyone, that's it for today's video, and I hope you all enjoyed these rides. I will be honest, riding Metro Transit's version of the Micro Bird Girardin in a way kind of brought me back memories back when I was in high school when I would ride these buses to school, despite that I would ride a regular Metro Transit bus on the way home. It obviously felt a bit different because it's a transit-style bus rather than a school bus. This here is the Head Start bus that was built the same year as the Metro Mobility buses in 2025. And these buses here are from the same program, which are new 2026 buses, the same year as the ones for Metro Transit. And here's a Micro Bird Girardin bus from when I was going to school in 2019-2020. This particular model is pretty similar to the National School Bus Yellow, except a bit darker, more like a mustard yellow. Well, that's enough of school bus shenanigans for today. I hope you all learned something new about Micro Bird Girardin buses, whether it's the transit-style ones or the school buses, of course. I also hope that the Metropolitan Council considers getting Micro Bird Girardin buses for the Metro Micro service as well. You know, the service that uses the micro mini buses to connect passengers to metro lines. That'll be something to see in the future. Well, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in into this video. And the next time I see Micro Bird Girardin buses on different routes besides the 219, who knows? Maybe I'll make a video about it and show it to you all. Well, with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. As you know, the fun doesn't stop here. And if you want to continue the fun, click on these videos that relate to the same topic. And also, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates on this channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.